Good morning. Welcome to day 26 of 75 Hard. That feels good to say. While you're doing 75 Hard, or again, any fitness routine, don't forget to work on your mental health. And I know a lot of you work out so you don't murder people, which is very admirable. I mean, some people probably need a murdering, but don't do that. You don't want to spend your life in somewhere else you don't like. But make sure that you're working on the mental side. Make sure that you're expressing gratitude every day for the ability to do the things that you do. You know, being in the gym for as long as I have and training people, and I know it gets monotonous, and even with 75 Hard, you get to this point where you're like, why the fuck am I doing this? Like, what's the point? You know, I'm tired of peeing. I'm tired of working out twice a day. It's cold, it's hot, whatever. But like, it really is a privilege to be able to do these things. And I know it may not feel like it in the moment, but there's a lot of people who can't work out, who wish they could work out, and they're physically incapable of working out. There's a lot of people who regret not taking care of their body when they could, and now they're in a state where maybe they're diseased, maybe they're, literally physically broken, and they would gladly trade places with you. So don't forget that. Like in the midst of all the crazy shit that we go through in life, and trudging through the challenge like this, like, don't forget that it truly is a privilege to do these things and blabber about them on the internet and joke around and all that shit. Yeah, have a great day. Be grateful. Write some stuff down about what you're grateful for. Love y'all. Make good choices. See you later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, day 26. Oh man, they're all molding together now. Day 26 is in the books. All the things are done. I'm about to have some hot tea that is calorie free because I'm hungry. And listen, I've said this many times. I've posted this on social media before. I don't know if I've shared it in this whole series of 75 Hard, but sometimes you just need to drink some water and shut the fuck up. Or in my case, I need to drink some tea and go to bed because I'm at this stage right now where I'm hungry. Like, I wake up hungry and I'm eating plenty of food, but I'm still hungry and I want more food, but I know I don't need more food. So we do hot tea at night because I have to drink it slow. It fills you up because I haven't had enough liquid in my body all day. But it satisfies the craving enough that then I can go to bed and be okay. So there's your tip of the day. Drink some liquids, shut the fuck up, go sleep. Y'all have a great night. See you tomorrow. Make good choices.